Prynawn da, yn croeso canys I chi gyd. Good afternoon, a very warm welcome to you all. By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales, and would like to invite our Vice-Chancellor, Professor Osama Khan, to address us.
Please be seated. Anrihethys diprwy ganglethor, anwyl gafiadlion vonedgion an vonedgion ai, chroeso canes ion I prefasgol de Cymru. Welcome to the University of South Wales and to our fabulous graduation ceremony. Here in the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841, an institution set up by industry to raise aspiration and bring education to workers in the region. We are, of course, long past those founding moments, but much of the vision set almost 200 years ago remains today. Mae'r prifysgol abyd busnes wedi gweithio ac an gweithio'n law an llaw. The university and the business world have worked and are working hand in hand. Our university is proud that it works in partnership with business, industry, and public sector, preparing people like yourself for work and future career that we hope will allow individuals to reach the heights of their talent. And as I look at you all here today, looking fantastic in your beautiful gown, and so happy to have reached this point of celebration, I don't necessarily see a crowd of our students. I see you as individuals, distinctive people with your own character and reasons for being here. Some of you will have joined us straight from your school or college. Others already in work and wanting to upskill, and those of you who actually left a country far from here to make a journey to Wales, to our beautiful Wales. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey. In fact, recently, I met one of our graduates who has done not one, not two, not three, but 6 University of South Wales degrees. So just be careful, because it could be quite daunting to leave this wonderful university. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complex world that isn't always easy to navigate. We also live in a world that evidently needs to change. We need people who can effect positive and real change. People who aren't satisfied with things as they stand. We will need to face the future courageously. You need to face the future courageously, to challenge and innovate, be inclusive, and work within your communities to create a society which is more equal without doing any damage to our environment or the well-being of others. The world expects so much more from you as graduates, and I know it seems quite daunting. That doesn't mean we are asking you to single-handedly change the world. You can be that change in your chosen profession, be that in your hospital, in the companies you choose to work, your school, your immediate team. In fact, most big changes happen through small changes, and each and one of you in here as individual could make those changes. In fact, we have a proverb in Wales which derives from the legend of Mabinogion, the story of Branwen. As somebody new to Wales, excuse my Welsh, I'm trying. Avo ben bidbond. It means whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. You will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled with each other to reach heights not possible alone. I also know that many of you will have created memories and friendship for life. As I welcome you today to our community of graduates, I would like to remind you that in any good community we draw on others for support, to challenge us when we aren't doing the right thing, to guide and advise us on making difficult decisions, and to make us feel like we belong. No matter how hard it gets, always choose to do the right thing, even if you find yourself alone in doing that right thing. I like to think that the University of South Wales, underpinned by our values of being professional, inspiring, creative, responsive, and collaborative, that our intention as a community are good, to help you change your life and our world for better. And we hope that we have given you the knowledge, skills, and resilience to do just that. Life is not straightforward, by the way, and we all have bumps in the road. So as well as having the talent and passion to pursue your dreams, be pragmatic enough to give yourself sometimes a little bit of break. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath. Draw on your intellect and then reflect before trying again. It's just a moment in your life and a career. And I'm sure if you remain resilient like the way you've proven to be to reach today, you will succeed. And today is an important moment in your life. Today, we celebrate your achievements. During your time at USW, you have been part of a faculty that has demonstrated the impact that USW can have. As our students, you have helped shape the future of our own campuses, bringing your creativity to the interior of the new Calon building and gaining valuable experience of professional practice. Our students have supported access to justice through the Legal Advice Clinic, which continues to make a difference to local communities after 13 years of its service. Our students provide free advice to hundreds of clients and contributing to projects supporting people facing homelessness or representing themselves at tribunal. I'm so proud to just read this out. These are all of you doing great things for the community, even when you are just a student here. Now imagine what you could do beyond. In Cardiff, our creative students have brought people together through the Immersed Festival, delivering a sellout cultural event with industry partner, a strong commitment to sustainability, and the national recognition for innovation and community impact. I'm yet to experience Immersed, but I'm definitely buying my ticket for next year. These achievements speak powerfully of what you have been part of here, a university that asks you not only to learn, but to use that learning to change lives, places, and communities for the better. Your job for today is to feel proud of yourself, to look fabulous, and to take lots of photos and maybe even shed a tear or two. And of course, we booked the fantastic weather out as well with the red dragon, so take as many pictures as you want for your Insta or TikTok, whatever you do. To help in that, I also have an ask of everyone sitting behind our graduates. Your job is to make sure that whenever your family member or friend, our graduates, walk across that stage, they are in no doubt of how proud you are of them. You can do that in any way you want, by the way. It might look like quite a formal ceremony, but you can clap loudly. You can shout their name. You can whistle or whipping. All are legitimate. In fact, I would say it's absolutely necessary. But before we celebrate you, I want to pause and recognize something very important. No one reaches a day like this entirely on their own. Behind every graduate here today, there will be people who have helped make this moment possible. For many of you, that support will have come from families and friends who have stood beside you through the highs and the difficult days. They may have supported you financially, morally, spiritually, or simply be believing in you when you needed it most. They have made sacrifices, offered encouragement, listened with patience, and reminded why all of that mattered, why this journey mattered. So today is also their day. It is a day for those who have traveled alongside you proudly and, more importantly, lovingly, and who share in the joy of seeing you each cross this stage and reach a particular stage in your life. I also want to recognize the people of the University of South Wales, my fantastic colleagues, who have supported your journey. Here on the stage and across the campuses, our academic colleagues bring innovative, industry-relevant, and career-focused teaching into your courses, helping you to connect knowledge with practice and ambition with opportunity. And alongside them, our professional services colleagues whose work is sometimes less visible, but absolutely essential. They support students, care for our campuses, keep our services running, and help create the student experience that allows learning, belonging, and success to happen. To all those colleagues, academics, and professional services alike, my deep thank you for all the part you have played in helping our graduates reach this proud moment. In fact, moments like that make our life bring truth and value. Moments like this, seeing you all succeed, makes our day-to-day go easy, because this is what we believe in. So graduates, I'm now going to ask you to do something special. I would like you to all please stand up, graduates. Hear me carefully. Please look around this room and show your appreciation for the families, friends, teachers, and professional services staff, and let the world know that you stood here today and appreciated their contribution. Give them a huge round of applause. Well done, well done. Please be seated. Now, before I close, I would say, given my experience of many years of graduation, there are probably about 300-400 of you are going to graduate today. And this is off script, by the way. The very first person who walks across is probably that gentleman over there. And he's going to wait patiently until that girl over there who is going to cross the stage. So I want all of you to be patient and respect each other's crossing the journey. I know it's a tall ask, and you're all looking beautiful, and I'm sure you're eager to get to the dinner with your family. But pay respect to each other. From that gentleman to that girl, I want all of you to stay in your seat and clap and cheer your friends. As I close, as you walk across this stage here today and collect your award and doff your hat to our Pro-Chancellor, I want you to hold one word at the forefront of your mind, and it's called pride. Pride with humility. Pride in Welsh is balgdar. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of your potential for great things. Be proud of yourself, who you are, and not who others want you to be. You will always be part of our University of South Wales family. We are and always will be so proud of each and every one of you. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Gadaog iddo fort en hespas I elovoi prefosgol ec I bayub sid aman personal a comhelir genuhoad o brisocol ti Cymru Ain Minas Kesniwad R.A. Penwared Ardek O Gorffennaf 2026. Hadio Erdion S. Kolhegian Sid Oedi Providro A. Daikes Roed I Hamdrek Eskol Hogiad A. Pod E. Anol Yan Gamoes E. Gael A. Darban Ar Gravar Gradai I. Camostorai Prifoskol Droi A. Brod Avi A. Karhediad Godoek Yar Reini Sid Aman Presnol Ginobod A. Hayam Roy Nyai A. Dathal Klidian Bedsodon Ayin Go Bethian An Diskoyo Yad I Andodon Yam Bethio A. Badant Android Talent I Desk Gerbon A. Profession An Kami Nadai Hedarun A. Badant An Kavrani at Daftol and Kamasdethias Gadaek and Red Ed A. Claude.
Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 14th day of July 2026. Today we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualification of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation they will put their talent and learning at the service of their profession and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction.
Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industry candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Daniel Scott Griffiths, in recognition of a programme of work entitled How Do Emotions Influence Consumer Decision-Making in High-Risk Digital Purchases? A qualitative study. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Jonathan Deakin and Dr. Elizabeth Lloyd Parks. Noor Issa Jamshir, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Social Media Influencers on Consumer Behaviour, an exploratory study in the food industry in the Kingdom of Bahrain. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Lauren Thomas, Dr. Jacqueline Harris, and Professor Jonathan Deakin. Emilia Piera, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Shared Leadership Culture and Transformation of a Public Health Organisation, an ethnographic case study of London's NHS Nightingale Education Department. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Simon Thomas, Dr. Ahmed Abdullah, and Dr. Elizabeth Lloyd Parks. The Doctor of Business Administration, Michelle Claire Harmon, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Resilience, an interpretivist quality case study of Indigenous employees' success in reaching management and professional positions within the gaming industry in Canada, contributing factors and barriers. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Simon Thomas and Dr. Andrew Jones. Beulah Joseph, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Integrating Technology into the Organisational Structure of SMEs in Malaysia. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Palash Kamrusaman and Dr. Andrew Thompson. Lee Morgan, in recognition of a programme of work entitled An Exploration of the Relationship between the Patient-Reported Experience Measures and Overall Experience Score using Cervical. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Philippos Prodedru and Dr. Gina Dolan. The Master of Arts in Buddhist Studies, Noel Bordado. Sorry. Hardy Kleiner. Hardy Kleiner? Yes. The Master of Business Administration, Majba Ahmed. Redwan Ahmed. Desmond Akawa. Alash Aziz. Wilborn Cheriot. Jean Sumaya Peter. Mark George. Rosie Henschel. Lee Hong Swang Ho. Mohammed Munabrak Hussain. Mohammed Shahzad Hussain. Sabir Hussain. Christiana Ibrahim. Oladele Gabriel Ijiwala. Junaid Iqbal. Rakibul Islam. Rezmi Jose. Mohammed Shakibul Kazwar. Mohammed Fahir Khalid. Fahad Ali Khan. Samita Mahendran. Abdullah Al Mahfoud. Tabitha Mensah. Samuel Prince Nana. Obina Anuwoka. Victor Owaha. Kartike Sharma. Mariam Sul. Mahadi Hassan Tasnin. Dorothy Bala Tithi. Anthony Ujoundu. Mohammed Yusuf. Mohammed Zazar. The Master of Business Administration, London Examination Board, Ching Sum Kang. Chek Yu Dai. Shway Yi Minyat Mayat. The Master of Business Administration in Global, Alatunde Alamo. Abbas Karabalai. Jose Nasir. Arun Payajara. Mohammed Shah Imran Rakhib. Mohammed Mebran Hossein Turag. The Master of Business Administration in Global Finance, Adeola Mariam Adesina. Jomiloyu Esulala. Mohammed Ismail Hussain. Mohammed Faizan Hussain Rashid. DM Shafatullah. The Master of Business Administration in Global Human Resource Management, Saida Farina Abbas. Shataj Ara Anianaya. Sudita Day. Mohammed Mehdi Hassan Hirodoy. Mohammed Abid Hassan Rafik. The Master of Business Administration in Global Marketing, Qudos Ahmed. Saeed Ahmed. Fahim Rahman Amio. Mahmudul Hassan. Mahmudul Hassan. Mohammed Hazibul Islam Hasib. Anagaha Kalalutri. Litong Khan. Mahadi Masood. Mohammed Maraz Mia. Miradul Rahmat Patwari. Shifa Shemen Tala Poyil. Ishrad Alam Tisha. The Master of Business Administration in Global Supply Chain, Mohammed Amir Ahmed. Miskat Alam. Ramzan Ali. Akash Costa. Mohammed Kabir Hussain. Tambir Hussain. Imtiajab bin Ibrahim. Mohammed Amirul Islam. Nusrat Jahan. Mohammed Hassin Hassan Joy. Nisarkar Kumar Limbachia. Nipun Sanjaka Loku. Mohammed Hassan Ali Mamun. Shanaj Previn. Razifa Yasmin. The Master of Business Administration and Healthcare Management, Muzumdar Aziz Mohammed. Chitan Mohit. Karitka Satish. The Master of Laws in International Commercial Law, Arafat Abdullah. Bilal Afzal. Itzaz Ali. Mohammed Salim Nasir Al-Silalpi. Mohammed Jahidul Islam Babu. Mohammed Sharwe Hussain Bayazid. Rohit Baharunkunde. Ul Hassan. Bayazid Hawlader. Lucy Mahui. Abdul Mohiman Ibn Mohiem Ibn. Mohammed Sanur Rahman. Feba Tankam Kurian. Mohammed Laisuddin. The Master of Laws in Law, Tyrion Paul Asherwartharpar. Ika Ulo Wa Gidi Fanukun. Amer Khan. Nidhi Patience Naku. The Master of Laws in Legal Practice, Zoe De Bruyne. Sarah Jones. Delith Thomas. Fine, well done. The Master of Laws in Professional Practice, Listers Qualifying Examination, Laura Marie Daniels. Sevilla Ramadan. The Master of Science in Human Resource Management, Hamdalat Abdul Latif. Kasim Akinun Wole. Olumide Peter Anise. Celestine Entado Tami Tanga. Oluwason Akeboye Foyowe. Anaswayara Mahipu. Robert Maria Selvam. Pauline Mudia. Joan Wambui Micharu. Asad Nawaz. Dolapo Victoria Obi Senzan. Esther Ogiemuani. Mohammed Babatunde Alayewala. Kate Oviahon. The Master of Science in Leadership and Management, Victoria Ebdon. Catherine Gilbert. Sarah Much. Joanne Thomas. Eleanor Williams. The Master of Science in Leading Digital Transformation, Beth Cadmore Phillips. Samantha Cook. Jodine Feck. Rachel Lewis. Stephanie Laura Murphy. Callum Richards. Caris Richards. Natalie Romero. Amal Shaldan. Nicola Turner. Rachel Watson. Elizabeth West. The Postgraduate Diploma in Buddhist Studies, Beth Blinkhorn. The Postgraduate Diploma in Legal Practice, Fionn Lloyd Palmer. Lewis Richards. Molly Thackeray. Rosie May Thompson. The Bachelor of Arts in Business, Cerys Fairclough. Laura Griffiths. Paulina Polozova. Lauren Amy Thomas. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Management, Omolara Latifa Adeboyaya. Tahib Agbuala. Mohammed Tauziat Ahmed. Abdullah Rahman Al-Furais. Osman Ali. Yasmin Alam. Hizam Ali Al-Sahalhi. Majua Buche Jude Anikibe. Lujahane Arabani. Hasib Arshad. Toluwanami Bandale. Louis Rhys Blackman. Ezel Dean Bosch. Gift Prince Braimo. Jasmine Bro. Scott Llewellyn Brown. Karen Bugala Lahuva. Vinayak Deepak. Jepuzo Emmanuel Elua. Ethan Epsom. Mohammed Azmal Foyad. Redwanir Rahman Fayad. Sahil Haroon. Mohammed Sajid ul Hassan. Kevin Hill. Adam Holloway. Shauna Jacobs. Yohan Boudica Jahi Abanudu. Cameron James Jones. Joel Jones. Mohammed Jabir Khan. Jennifer Lagosa. Thomas Benjamin Lamb. Elliot Llewellyn Blackmore. Ike Chukwu Omonayen. Babajide Ebenezer Olo Ai. Kalash Patel. Sadika Nishan Gamej. Udan Angaje Don Nishmesh Nadira Pereira. Sam Pike. Dylan Priest. Mohammed Mizanur Rahman. Ariful Islam Rahul. Mohammed Shejil Raza. Kristen Roberts. Mohammed Nasmul Hassan Rocky. Ragildan Saye Salim Lan. K. Jenintan Samputkar Kumar. Manish Saror. Sharita Gomara Mudiansel. Farhan Shahzad. Anika Sharmila Oishi. Kabir Singh. Kashmir Singh. Jordan Sinnott. Mohammed Junaid Siraj. Priest Smith. Alice Virgo. Anastasia Yefimova.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed ddatganiad cyddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cyrdd y Drama Cymru. We will now hear a musical interlude from students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. While our performers take a brief moment to set up, please enjoy this short film celebrating the university's impact over the past year.
The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Nathaniel Adelani Adeyoyo. Timi Leyen Adie Dotun Adie Mili Yi. Ferran Mi Felicia Ajaiji. Hafiz Aslam Ali. Alia Bochi. Larissa de Oliveira. Katie Marie Durston. Olayemi Olabisi Husani. Stuart Morgan. Faith Obi Darlington. Ore Oluwa Daniel Ogun Tirin. John Clinton Chukwe Mecca Okoro. Rebecca Oloye. Krish Patel. Precious Glory Phillip. Kazam So Blessing Stephen. Muritala Sulaiman. Darlington Victor. Miriam Ernest Warloo. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management and Accounting and Finance, Mohammed Farhad Noor Izhar. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, European College of Business and Management, Berlin, Nicole Eckel. Angelina Kuntz. Nina Marie Reinkertz. Giorgio Sikomanis. Taylor Wood. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, European College of Business and Management, London, Mario Fayez. Moritz Uder. Lucy Wittig. Jazem Iwe Sekaha. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, European College of Business and Management, Munich, Mohammed Ismail. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, European College of Business Management, Stuttgart, Michela Artisi. Lara Breitmeyer. Elisabetta Gentil. Anna Maloroff. Anna Rauch. Lucia Cheyenne. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Human Resource Management, Melvin Lai Sequiera. Faith Kelagat Muogai. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management Marketing, Amir Ridwan bin Abdul Razak. Yetunde Rukatat Aziz. Miuro Fernando Duepara Dewaje. Hafiz Salami. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Merthyr Tydfil College, Cheyenne Davis. Jenna Hughes. Kerry Robbins Ball. Ella Thomas. Gwen Vowles. The Bachelor of Arts in Hotel Hospitality Management, Roisin Doreen Barrell. Kira Chitty. Here. Nawad Timothy Kuruzinge. Sophie Hamakot. Saeed Afnaf Sarif. While the ceremony is continuing, can I please ensure that everybody's sitting, please? Sorry, is it Saeed next? No? Sorry, I've just seen lots of people leaving, so it's sorry, a Bachelor of Arts in Human Resource Management. Sorry, we'll get back on track now. The Bachelor of Arts in Human Resource Management, Felicia Abbas. Mohammed ibn Shahab Bioyan. Bethan Louise Harris. Shawan Kabir. Fuwa Kindosa. Holly Olivia Lewis. Sunday Eugenie Okoli. Isabel Christina Ormond. Maidul Islam Rifat. Lily Catherine Spencer. The Bachelor of Arts in International Business, Casey Louise Marian Fowler. Thanatswa Madie Gasava. Zimuso Sictus Oforobike. Jemima Oguole. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Aliye Abbas. Raihan Ahmed. Samir Ahmed. Humara Ashan. Hamza Ali. Rhianwen Olman. Ariful Amin. Matthew Andrews. Amimul Asif. Adam Bashir. Joseph Chadwick. Bethan Clark. Sonia Daniel. Ronald John Evans. Tegan Evans. Mohammed Arman Feroz. Callum Phillip. Lee Griffiths. Oscar Haynes. Liliana Hamadouya. Katie Lee Hodder. Christopher John Holmes. Taryn Rose Hoff. Jahan Saib. Lisa Jacqui. Kaylee James. Callum Jones. Ellie Kent. Sada Kudus. Alishba Malik. Anna Mears. Alid Walid. Fatima Mohammed Sabri. Billy Morgan. Samuel Morgan. Olagoke Olutu. Kimberly O'Neill. Kaylee Lucy Onowechi. Kyrwin Pedler. Sarah Quirshi. Wahida Rahman. Raj Reg. Aya Redha. Al Rifat. Saeed Adman Rahman Shadid. Al Sahib. Sanjeev Sahib. Amal Banin Sarhan. Adnan Shahirat. Nazmul Hassan Shannon. Sumaya Akhtar Shifi. Vezul Karim Shuvo. Sheikh Islam Sohan. Callum Tucker. Freya Van Kehoe. Shayla Virgo. Kian Williams. Iman Yonas. Saeed bin Zaman. The Bachelor of Laws in Law and Legal Practice Lister Qualification Examination, Stephanie Davis. The Bachelor of Laws in Law with Criminology and Criminal Justice, Lauren Holder. The Bachelor of Laws in Legal Practice Exempting, Natasha Louise Bolton. The Bachelor of Science in International Business and Management, Salim Al-Hulo Afi. Ali Abdulamir Al-Sari. Samantha Baru Pathe. Gunai Goban. Sophia Karaman. Ashish Kumar Malakwana. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Business Management, Coleg y Cymoedd Ystrad Mynach, Marcus Paul Cleaver. Callum Lewis Jones. Jenna May Newton. David Taylor. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Business Management, Merthyr Tydfil College, Cameron Eyre. Alexander Bolandare Kengo. Alana Davis. Kyle Morris. Taylor Murphy. The Bachelor of Arts in International Business, Basik Adekola Ani Masalhun. The Master of Science in Human Resource Management, Ola Jo Mukai Grace Adebayo. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Modupe Sukara Adekunyi. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Management, Babatunde Timothy Agabula. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management Marketing, Solomon Edem Thompson. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Management, Joel Okoro. The Master of Laws in International Commercial Law, Ahmad Asif. The Master of Science in Human Resource Management, Nurul Sifati Binti Abdullah. The Master of Business Administration, Teresa Jesudas. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Goodness Mohnikya Jaisu Age Tehru. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Shahad Munjalral. The Master of Business Administration in Global Supply Chain, Irfan Ul Haq Qureshi. The Master of Science in Human Resource Management, Ogechi Sandra Igbu. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Management, Kiroshika Mandera. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Management, Mushud Oljuan Salami. The Bachelor of Arts in International Business, Toluwase Samuel Ogubajobi. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management Marketing, Friday James. The Master of Laws in International Commercial Law, Mohammed Ahmad. The Master of Laws in International Law, Mohammed Mateen. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Management, Vithusnan Jegath Eswaran. The Master of Laws in International Commercial Law, Sayada Afreen Jahan Mitu. The Master of Science in Human Resource Management, Jeoma Jessica Osai. The Master of Business Administration, Abdullah Al Saif. the Bachelor of Arts in Business and Management, Gopika Gopumar Sankita. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Mohammed Emon. The Bachelor of Laws in Law, Tasnia Binte Saki Piana. Yes, sorry. I'm trying to understand the handwriting. The Bachelor of Arts in International Business, Sandali Siumini Atu Korala Kanang Amalaki. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. Graduation is an occasion for a rather formal academic ceremony, but it's also a celebration of perseverance, determination, and the promise of what comes next. It's an important milestone in the lives of our graduates, and it's a moment of great pride for all of us here today. Our Vice-Chancellor mentioned earlier the critical, important role of parents, partners, families, and friends who were loudly applauded earlier this afternoon. But let me repeat, this is your day too. You've offered encouragement, reassurance, and unwavering support throughout the journey. For us on the stage, today is a high point in the university year when we see the fruits of dedication, resilience, and hard work. And I'd like to pay tribute to the nearly 3,000 staff of all the different kinds of staff that we have at this remarkable university. They have taught, mentored, supported, fed, counselled, occasionally nudged our students along the way. Their commitment to your success is at the heart of everything we do, so can we thank them too for their tireless efforts? But today, above all, is about you, our newest graduates. You've achieved something extraordinary. You've not only mastered your subjects, but you've also developed the ability to think critically, challenge assumptions, work with other people, and engage with complex issues in a spirit of respect and curiosity. These are timeless skills, essential in every walk of life, and perhaps especially so today. We're proud that the education you've received here is highly valued by employers. But more than that, we're proud of the way it transforms lives, your lives, and the communities you go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful, engaged citizens. As you enter the next stage of your lives, we hope you'll take with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. And as our newest alumni, you now also become ambassadors for this university and what we stand for. So we hope you'll stay in touch, come back for more, continue to grow, and inspire others as you have inspired us. So well done, all of you, and our warmest wishes for your continued success. Dymuniadau gorau iawn i'r dyfodol. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed, and I invite all who are able to stand for the national anthem.